travel to St. Louis. We're making our way to the gate. Please remain seated, seatbelts fastened, seatback straight, tables in our full upright lock position. Please leave carry-on items stowed, clear off the aisle. Once we are safely parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off, you'll be able to open overhead bins and collect your remaining items. Please be careful, items may have shifted during our landing and could fall out. If you're continuing on to another Southwest Airlines flight, please visit the monitors in the terminal for the most up-to-date gate information. You may also visit southwest.com from your phone. We want to thank you all so much for flying with us today. We know you have many choices when you fly, and we truly appreciate you choosing to fly Southwest Airlines. We look forward to serving you again on a future Southwest Airlines flight. Go out, buckle up, drive safe, come back and see us again soon. Please be advised that the aircraft doors will be open for ground servicing here in St. Louis. Keep any children, anyone you're supervising, clear of those doors. Lastly, folks, we do want to ask that you please take this opportunity to check the seat back pocket in front of you as well as your surrounding area for any small personal items that may get left behind, like your cell phones, your wallets, or tablets. Once again, have a great rest of your day.